Damn, I'm heaviest. Okay, so things are gonna get just a tad bit more smarter in here. This is a smart scale from Eufy, and yep, it's not your average timbangan, and let me show you why. Just step on the scale para makuha ang timbang mo, and damn, I'm heaviest. Anyways, makikita mo ng timbang mo, but that's not all. The moment you step in on the scale, hindi lang timbang mo ang kinukuha, but your actual body composition as well. Makikita mo dito yung weight mo, BMI, body fat, and even more statistics na magiging mahalaga para sa'yo. Now, by no means am I saying na 100% accuracy ang makukuha natin sa body composition result nito. Iba pa rin talaga ang hospital-grade equipment, mas accurate yon, but this one do get close sa mga result na yon. Plus, mas affordable and reachable sa atin ng mga ganitong klaseng equipment at ang purpose talaga nito is para lang magkaroon tayo ng general idea kung ano na ang status ng katawan natin. You can add multiple accounts for tracking sa weighing scale na to, and it is smart enough to identify kung ikaw ba talaga ang tumatapak sa timbangan or if it's somebody else. So, mahilig ka mag-gym or kung gusto mo lang malaman kung ano ang current status ng katawan mo in a general aspect, why not try one of these smart scales from Eufy out?